Having a jar of tomato kimchi in your fridge makes your life so much easier because it's so useful. Today we're gonna make tomato kimchi lasagne. First of all, I blended this tomato kimchi with a hand mixer. It was super easy, just simply blend it. I thought I took a video, but I don't have it, so yep. Now we're gonna mash the chickpeas with a fork, and we're gonna make some nice tomato kimchi chickpea paste, and that's gonna be our sauce. And now we're gonna fry some vegan bacon with some onions. Let's start with onions, and when onions are a bit cooked, then we can add the vegan bacon. I'm using the Vigo bacon from El Dorado, but I think you can just choose whatever you want. We're gonna cook this onion and vegan bacon until it gets really nice and crispy. Like this. And let's get that cheese. I am using vegan mozzarella cheese from Oatly Good, and I really like their products. And I'll mix in some canned corn to the cheese because I love the combination of corn and cheese. And now we're gonna assemble the lasagna. First, place the lasagna plate or lasagna pasta on the bottom, and then our lovely tomato kimchi and chickpea mixture. On top of that, I'm adding onions and vegan bacons. Finally, the cheese and corn. And then just repeat until you reach the top. Sprinkle some dried parsley for extra cuteness. To the preheated oven around 180 degrees Celsius, put lasagna and then cook it for like 15 to 20 minutes. Be careful not to burn yourself when taking out the lasagna. The taste was actually a lot better than I thought. I didn't expect it so much, and it was my first time making tomato kimchi lasagne, so I only made like a little, and then I regret it. I think it's really perfect for lunchbox or just lunch or Tupperware because it's so easy to make and simple and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for more recipe videos, and bye! Enjoy your lasagna!